What are the benefits of completing your education online at Real Estate Express? When you complete your education online, you get to decide when and where you study. There's no set schedule and no commute. You can take your courses at night, on the weekends, on holidays, or whatever time fits into your busy schedule. You can take the course at home, at your desk, on your lunch break, anywhere you want. All you need is a computer or mobile device with internet access. Real Estate Express provides a great learning experience to our students. Our website and education platform are easy to use, from enrolling in a course to reviewing course content to taking and completing assessments. You don't need any special technology skills or software. We designed our Smart Bites learning methodology to increase your success by helping you remember more of what you study. Smart Bites break down real estate knowledge into smaller pieces, then reviews and reinforces them to strengthen your concept recall. The more you can remember, the more you can achieve. We give you feedback after every chapter or unit, so you always know how you're doing in the course. You can review completed chapters and retake quizzes as often as you need to master the material. At the end of the day, we want to make sure you are confident and prepared to pass your exams. And even if you're studying on your own, we're always here to help. Licensed real estate instructors and our fabulous student support team will support you throughout your education. Whether you need help understanding a concept or your next step in the licensing process, we will be here for you. At Real Estate Express, you'll enjoy the convenience, platform, content, and support we provide to help you succeed.